Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I'm starting off a video with no makeup on. Not like you've never seen me with that makeup on, but still, it's a little scary. So today I have a special guest here, and it's my mommy. Hi. What's your name?
Lana.
And she has a YouTube and Instagram as well. I'll link everything down below for you guys to check them out. So today we're going to be doing a challenge. Are we nervous? I am
Extremely
terrified. I'm so nervous. We're going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. Guys, I am the slowest person in the entire world. I eat slow. I do my makeup so slow. I do everything so slow. So this is not for me.
I'm not really sure 5 minutes is going to be enough for even the eyebrows.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm scared. But we're going to try it. I'm really excited and nervous. And we also did a blindfold makeup challenge on my mom's channel. So nervous and scared for that as well. This is just a scary day for me right now, but I'm really excited and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys want to stick around to see how we did the 5-minute makeup challenge and what we looked like at the end, just keep on watching. I'm about to start. 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't want to. Should I open? No, I'm not.
I open mine?
No, close it. That's not fair.
Okay, I closed it.
Okay, I'm gonna start. And go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I can't even. Oh my god.
Why did I choose a sponge to do my foundation? I prepared the brush.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This brush is so soft. Oh my god. God.
Okay.
My eyebrow.
That will have to do.
I'm pretty sure I have more foundation in my hair than I do in my face. Oh my god. I can't do this. I'm not even closing it. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so scared.
Okay, where's the bronzer? Bronzer. Where's the bronzer?
Right here. She's distracting me.
No, I took this one for myself.
Why do I feel like I'm racing and I'm out of breath? Powder. You guys need, you know. I need to set my face. How
Gosh.
is there 3 minutes only left?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Highlight. Where's the brush?
There's so much powder everywhere. Where's the thing? Okay, contour.
You even contouring? I just put bronzer all over my face.
What happened here? Oh my god. I didn't set my face enough. I'm so patchy. Oh my god.
God bless Tarte finger paint palette.
Where's the brush? I took a brush. Okay, we're putting contour. Oh my god. Bronzer through my eyes. My skin looks like caca right now. Oh my god.
I'm not looking forward to do my eyebrows. I didn't prepare eyelashes.
Okay, finger paint. Oh, what's happening?
No, oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, I did under my eyes.
Oh my god. Ma, why'd you say this was gonna be a good idea?
Wait, where's Anastasia?
Oh my god, I need a napkin.
I just wiped it all over my hand.
Where's the highlight? Highlight.
Oh
my god, my skin looks so
favorite
bad. You're on eyebrows? Oh my god.
My eyebrows never look worse than this.
Okay,
Wow.
no. I was about to do lipstick, but I think I...
Wow. Well, we're gonna have to go with it. Okay. Mascara.
Okay, you watch. She closed it on me. She's sabotaging me. I know who wants to win. How are you on mascara already? I'm shaking and I can't do this.
Oh my god, that look like a mess.
I'm not even curling my lashes. Ew, there's a huge clump. Mascara only takes me like 10 minutes to do.
Oh no!
I can't even see what's happening.
Oh my god. Okay, second color. I'm just gonna do the top eyelashes.
I'm gonna try to do an orange lip. Oh, God,
Oh,
pray
me
for
too. And I never do lipstick without lining them first. So this is gonna be a challenge.
It's so silent.
I think we're doing the same makeup.
I don't even know what you're doing. I look
No.
like...
No, I have.
You think I could do lashes and like... No, I don't... Maybe, should I try?
I didn't prepare lashes.
Oh my God.
That's not fair.
I can't even put the glue on that fast.
You have to wait 30 seconds for the glue to get tacky.
Why am I doing this with my fingers and not tweezers? I really have no idea how people do this.
No, that's it. Let me see. That's not fair.
You look normal.
Wait, your eyelashes. Like, look at your makeup.
We look the
I
same.
mean, that's creepy.
I have no foundation on. I don't know what I did with my foundation. I have nothing on my cheek.
Foundation, I mean, I did not even blend in my neck, so.
Ma, you look good.
Thank you. Well, our makeup is very similar, I have to say.
Yeah, but you look like how you would normally look. What is this? Okay, so that is it. This is what we look like after the 5-minute makeup challenge.
Wait, look at your highlight.
At least something's going for me on my face because my foundation definitely was not. Did you put highlight on?
Yes.
You didn't work hard on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys have any other challenges that you guys want me to do, then definitely leave them down below. Don't forget to check out our blindfold makeup challenge on my mom's channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow her Instagram and YouTube channel.
It's Ageless Beauty by Lana.
And I think that should be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. That was cute.